It was just born today. Only 2 of them, though.
Nope, there's more.
There are?
Yep, on the other
You know,
side
I
of her.
thought I'd been hearing little chicklet noises this whole time.
Look at the other side, Sky.
Oh my goodness. Uh-oh, she's eating the eggs. Is that good or bad?
I don't know.
Don't run away from your chickies.
I just want to see if they're all hatched or not.
Why are you letting that guy sit there, dumb bird? No, don't. I don't.
I'm gonna move the egg. The egg. Move the egg. She doesn't need that.
I've been hearing them, Jen. That's the noise I've been hearing.
I want to get that other one out too.
Well, don't we need to give the chickens food? The little babies?
Not for 72 hours, right? There's another one over there. It made its way over. Is there any other broken